Hi, my name is Jalen, and I'm the African American history interpreter here at Stark Brattonville. And today we're making a Southern soul food staple, macaroni and cheese.
So James Hemings was born in 1765. He was an American chef who was at one point enslaved by Thomas Jefferson. He was trained as a chef in France and popularized many dishes in the United States, such as macaroni and cheese. To cook this dish, you will combine melted butter and flour to create a roux. Once it is brown and thick, I added in onion and garlic for taste. You will then add milk to create what is called a white sauce. And I've already had my pasta cooked, and in a dish I will layer sauce, then pasta and cheese, and continue till the dish is full. I then transfer the dish into a Dutch oven to melt the cheese on top.
So this is how our macaroni and cheese dish turned out. Like macaroni and cheese and other dishes prepared by enslaved people, they have become a big part of our Southern culture. If you'd like to know more about the arts and cultural contributions of enslaved people, please come visit us for By the Back Door. See you then.